I came to the Enduro here and forgot my camera and went to Walmart and bought a camera.
I know, I remember.
I haven't been to Windrock in 6 months. And after a quick warm-up lap, we met up with my good friend Jay on his downhill bike and decided to do a second warm-up lap because why not? Oh yeah, before I forget, I'm going to put the trail names in, but I'm not going to put any trail ratings because, man, I don't know. And just know that there's no easy trails at Windrock. The easiest one that I know of is the one we're about to do, Dropout. I hope you enjoy.
Oh, deep. Bike felt good though. You good?
If you hear lots of click-clacking from my derailleur, I later in the day figure out that it's a little bit loose. Actually, it's surprisingly loose. I'm not really sure why or how they do that, but I got it tightened up after a little bit and it sounded a little bit better.
Huh?
I said I caught up to a girl there too.
Oh, these new brake pads stink that I got. I don't care, they work good though.
Put on 250 millimeter rotors.
Holy shit, those are big.
Yeah.
250s or 220s?
Oh, 220, sorry.
Okay, they're big though.
Yeah.
Are they working?
Oh yeah. And I've got some Freedom Coast rims.
Oh man, I want to feel those. Y'all good?
Yep, fine.
Okay. Lap one on reach around. Oh, they've rerouted this, huh? This is a reroute. Yeah, no, it's a reroute. It wasn't like that. Now we're back on the old bit. Oh God, that's a hole.
Windrock is a funny place for me. If I don't go there regular, like very regular, it takes me the majority of the day to get back comfortable. Of course, watching it on video, it doesn't look that steep or rough or gnarly, but it's very steep and rough. It'll take me the majority of the day to get back comfortable to where I feel like I know how to ride my bike again. And this trail, Reach Around, used to ride it pretty regular when we went. We only rode it once this day, and I'm not sure why. But it's a good one, and next time I go back, I'm going to bust some laps on it and try to get back comfortable with it, and we'll see.
Wow. Cole, we're gonna make this right turn. I went wide. It's pretty good. Wow, Shane.
Snake Rock is a trail that I just started riding, I think the last trip or maybe this last 2 trips here. I rode it for the first time and we did several laps on it, and it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. It's got some tough, it's not real fast. I'm sure there's guys there that can go real fast. I know there is actually, but for me it's a good trail and it challenges my skill set. I really like it.
Look ahead. Boy. We had to stop and look at that corner again. Oh shit. Did you clip this tree?
Huh?
Did you clip the tree?
No, I let my front get over that, out of that rut.
Oh God. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I might have that on video. Oh God. Clip in. There we go.
Cave Boy's another great trail. It's one of the ones that I recently started riding the last couple trips, and I've been doing a bunch of laps on it. It's really good. I usually take it over to Snake Rock, but on this lap, we're going to do something I've never done. We're going to go to Cave Man, and it should up the difficulty level a little bit. And now on the Cave Man, I'm gonna, because I've never ridden it, I'm just gonna creep down real slow and check it all out. It does have a little bit steeper sections than what I've been riding or whatever, and This first bit's pretty straightforward, no big deal. Ride it a couple times, probably get used to it. Could probably jam through it pretty quick. But the next section coming up, we had to stop and look at it. And I don't know if that actually works better for me or not, as long as there's not some crazy huge move or drop. I sometimes feel like I'm better just to roll straight into something and let my bike and body do what it's going to do.
Oh God. No, it's fine, Cole. No, it's fine. The corner comes up, but it's okay.
You know what they say, if you start on dropout, you should end on dropout. So at the end of the day, decided to try to get one quick burner lap down dropout before we drive home. I wish I could come here more often. It's about a 4.5 hour drive from the house, so it makes for a very long day trip. And when you've got a business, a family, kids in college, it's hard to go spend 2 days, you know, every weekend, because that's what I want to do. Just can't do it. But we're gonna start going more often. Try to ride this thing through the spring. It definitely ups your skill set. Thanks for riding along with me today. If you would, hit that like button for me. We'll be coming back real soon, and maybe we'll see you there.
Woohoo! So fun.
Tabletop, real small.